Hey, what's going on, guys? Tony Kelly here. Want to make another super exciting video for you. I've been talking about this opportunity that I'm in called the Home Business Academy. I wanted to be on screen first to talk to you. Let you know this is the real program. This thing is legit. It's created by Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings. They've been around for years now. Home Business Academy is going strong. It started back in 2016. um, they're fantastic. They just keep adding more value, and like they just added another tool to one of our products, and of course they didn't raise the price like they've always done. Everything's always been the same. And the great thing about this opportunity is the compensation plan is real simple, and they pay 80% commissions on every product sale up front. So you're getting the highest commission payout of any opportunity out there, and it's 80% residuals. And then the great thing about it is this one tier. So you don't have to worry about building a big team and then binary, left leg, right leg, all that nonsense. This is a straightforward program, and there's just a ton of value here. Um, I'm going to go ahead and make my screen small, and I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you the back office, give you a little tour. I'll try not to make the video too long. I'm on the login screen already. Let me go ahead and log in. Give me a second. Sometimes it's a little slow when I'm recording. They uh they have their own social media feeds, kind of like Facebook. Over here, it's just when people make sales, it pops up over here. When you get new customers, and then there's a wall here, just like Facebook, where you can write different stuff in here. So everybody, we can all talk to each other, which is pretty cool to motivate each other. And then up here at the top are all the products. There's these first four of the products. You got Let's Go. It's a motivation type product. It lets you do a lot of different things. It helps you with your daily routine. It has a lot of different categories to help you. And then you can create a goal for yourself. You can track your habits. You can even track what you eat to help with your nutrition. Then of course you can connect it to your Google Calendar when you want things you want to do. One more thing I want to talk about before I go any further is the Home Business Academy. They share some of their profits to feed children around the world. They donate meals to hungry children around the world. So not only are you making good commission here with the great products, but also you're helping to contribute to a good cause. And then since they've started, they've already done $7.2 million in commissions, and they're still growing. This thing is fantastic. And then here's the manifesto. You can click on it and read what the goal of the business, the opportunity is about. Now the Let's Go is $10 a month, and then it pays $8 a month for residual. Now the flagship product is the Funnel Builder Academy, and the Funnel Builder. When you go over here to it, it has a separate login for it. The Funnel Builder lets you create pages, sales page, any kind of pages you want. This system is fantastic, but they actually have a bunch of pages already done for you. I'm going a little fast here because just to try to make the video a little shorter. You can see all the pages that they have done for you already. You just select it and you put in your affiliate links, and you're good to go. Once you get in here and you go through the training, you get a little bit more advanced and you can create your own page. But they have a lot of pages already done for you in a lot of categories. And then there's other opportunities that use Home Business Academy to build their page. That way they share it with you. That way you don't have to build a page yourself. So this thing is fantastic. It's great. You can this is my main page. They have I'll show you when I get back over to the affiliate side. I copied the page they already had, and I just connected it to my own autoresponder. But they have a bunch of training to show you how to do everything in here. So let me get back over here. Now the funnel builder, something new that they added was the HBA emailer, which is their own in-house autoresponder. And it comes with the funnel builder. It's part of it. You just have to connect it. And the way they do theirs is it comes with 300 credits when you join. and then you can buy credits to send out emails, and the credits for 15,000 credits for $15. So it's real good price compared to other autoresponders. This is great because in-house, you don't need to leave to go anywhere else. So if you have a third-party autoresponder, you don't really need to keep it unless you want to. I mean, if you have a big list, but you could always transfer them over here. This is a lot better. And excuse me. And then when if you upgrade, if you have the premium membership, you can get the email alchemist. It's the AI. It'll write your email for you, which is pretty cool. But like I say, what's good about this is because it's in house, it's easy to connect it to your capture pages because you're already here. So it makes it a lot better. So that's a real good thing to have here. Now the next product is the premium. It's premium traffic and conversions. It tells you everything there is to know about traffic, free traffic, paid traffic, how to convert leads to sales. There's all kind of training in here. You get tons of training no matter what product you're looking at. And one thing I wanted to show you, the premium tools. The one they just added is Traffic Maestro. Um, it's AI powered, and it does all your social media stuff. It helps you create like fantastic YouTube videos. Like it literally does everything for you. Then it also does posts on Facebook. Let me go over to my YouTube channel. Give me 1 second here. I gotta go to my channel actual page. I've done a couple videos already where I let the Traffic Maestro make the video for me. Look, it did the thumbnail for me. You see these two here, it did the thumbnails for me. And when I click on the video, I'm not gonna play the video. That's where I got my first sale. Um, I'll put this part here. It added this last part, but look all it did for me. It did all the hashtags. It wrote all my copy. I'll put in the link what link I wanted, but it did everything for me. It put timestamps on everything. It did all the hashtags. It actually put a disclosure for my affiliate link. Like it broke it down great. And then also they recommend you to post a comment. It actually gives you the comment. All you gotta do is copy and paste. So this thing's amazing. It helps you rank better because it literally filled everything out for me. But the real cool thing is it actually made the thumbnail for me, which is fantastic. So this Traffic Maestro is great, and the premium it it's it costs 125 a month, and then it pays $100 commission every month. So these three here are your monthly residual, and then the last one here, the Financial Literacy Academy, it teaches you all about money, but it's a one-time high ticket sale. Um, when you first join, well, you could, regardless if you have one of these other products, they give you 10 days to go all in, which you can see up here at the top. I'm all in. All in means you have every product, you own every product. And in the first 10 days, if you decide to go all in, you get a 50% discount on all the remaining products you don't have. So the Financial Literacy Academy sells for $1,000. But if you get it during the discount time, you get it for $500. So, and then the commission on that's $400. But if you wait, then of course it goes up, and you have to pay $1,000, and then you get the first month discount on all the other products too. So it's a real advantage to go all in. That way, when you start referring people, you don't have to worry about losing out on commissions. And that's the four products there. You got three residual, and then you got the one big upfront high ticket purchase. Then let me go over here to affiliate. Affiliate, you have so much training in here. You just watch these videos. They guide you through everything. There's so much stuff in here. And then one thing I wanted to show you, the turnkey system, which uses the same website here. It's just I got mine connected to my own autoresponder. But for those that are brand new, that you really like, if you're not technical yet and you want to start marketing, they have a done for you page, which is the turnkey system. You can see here, you just grab the link and start promoting it. It'll it has the capture page. It collects the leads for you. You can see I used it in the beginning and I got a lot of leads. Um, it gets the leads for you. It goes to the sales page. Um, the system follows up for you. It's Paul Hutchings. He writes the emails. He sends out for you on your behalf. So this thing is fantastic. But then once you get a little bit more advanced, you can watch the videos. It's going to guide you through everything. You can pick your own domain. You can set up your email address. If you're going to use the in-house autoresponder, you want to use a domain. Um, that way you can go. You're more likely to go to the inbox. But there's so much stuff, so much training in here. And another thing I wanted to show you is the when you make a commission here, it gets put on hold for a while, and then after the hold, then it goes to your e-wallet. And I want to show you my e-wallet. This thing is great because they're worldwide, so they have a. If you're out of the states, you can order a prepaid card. That way, your funds get loaded onto your card. But if here in the states, I'll just transfer my money to my checking account. So there's my first commission when it came in. Then of course they took $2 off because this is a brand new account. Um, but this pays every Thursday. Um, and depending on when you get the sale, because there's a hold, because this opportunity has a 3-day money back guarantee. So of course they got to wait 3 days just in case the person wants to cancel. But then after that, they hold for 2 more days just to make sure everything's good. Um, and then of course you can see here, like I got 3 commissions, but only 2 came out so far. And then it provided 1 meal. So that's pretty cool. And you can see right here the 5-day hold. They hold your commissions. That's like I say, there's a 3-day money back guarantee, and then they hold it 2 more days just to make sure everything's legit. And then once the hold is off, then it gets paid out the next Thursday. So they pay out every Thursday. So this opportunity is amazing. They do so much stuff here. It has this opportunity literally has everything you need under one roof. Let me show you. I got one more thing I want to show you here. On the Domain Scout is the name of their place where you can get domains. Um, they they have some that you can pick from and you can purchase them with just a couple clicks. I already have my one. Build Freedom with Tony is my main one. Then I got it redirected to my website. Um, the training in here, you can have it set up however you want. But they offer so much training in here. And then if you own the premium product, oh, my battery's getting low, gotta hurry. If you own the premium product, you get ongoing trainings every week from 6 and 7 figure earners. So this thing is fantastic. Like I say, it pays 80% commissions, and the first 3 are monthly residual. Then you get the one big ticket opportunity sale here for this product. You get 50% discount if you get stuff, if you upgrade, go all in within your first 10 days. Um, I can't say enough about this program. It's fantastic. You can use it to go with anything else out there, or you can just use it standalone. It's amazing. It's great. The community here is fantastic, and not only you're making commissions here, you're donating to a good cause because you're helping to feed the kids around the world. Um, anyway, I don't want to make this video too long because my battery's about to die. So go ahead and click the link below. Check everything out. I'd love to have you on my team. Tony Kelly, signing off.